Now this is an unbelievable Defender, selling at less than list price. So take that into account. If you want to order this car, you quoted 18 to 24 months, and people think that people are selling them at a premium. It isn't. This car's a D300 X-Dynamic HSE. Great, great spec. The best engine, 300 horsepower, V6 diesel, in Carpathian grey, which is a optional extra premium colour. The car's then got beautiful extras. It's got a wonderful interior, which I'll show you. It's a HSE, which gives you massive spec anyway, but then it's got upgraded 20-inch wheels in gloss black, side steps, contrasting black roof, full black exterior black pack. So we've got the badging, the inserts. It's an X-Dynamic, so you've got all the undersections in gloss black. With it being a HSE as well, you've got beautiful LED adaptive headlights. You can see here, this Chequer sections on the front bumper, that's all extras. You've got the Chequer protection, which is an extra and a kit. Mud flaps is extra, side steps, side storage compartment box, again, all extra. And as we move around the rear spare wheel protection, which is in colour-coded Carpathian, and then you've got the electric deployable Towbar. Another massive, massive extra on this car is air suspension. So I'll show you this. So if we go in the boot, you can see all the back bumper there is gloss black as well, with it being an X-Dynamic. There's two buttons here. One, electric deployable Towbar, press the button and that goes away. And then the other one is an air suspension button. So it's got the best engine, the 300, but it's got that air suspension, so the car drives superb. There's an extra set of mats there and a rubber boot protector. Let me show you inside. So the car's, it's all keyless entry. And then look at this interior. So it's got the two-tone interior, which is finished in ivory and then almost a very, very dark grey. So it's got the two-tone. You've got a sliding sunroof with the car being a HSE. So you've got all now the top HSE extras, ambient lighting as well. In the front, again, memory seats, Meridian speaker. Look at the steering wheel. So you can see it's heated, adaptive cruise, heated and cooled seats, larger screen, digital cockpit, clear sight camera, which I'll show you. You can see you've got the X-Dynamic on the kick plates there as well. And purchased this off a guy today. He ordered it from Land Rover. He waited for it. It arrived, and he basically wanted to go to a big Range Rover. His wife couldn't get away with the Defender. She needed a big Range Rover, which they've always had, and that's where we got it from. So he paid, put all the extras on it. We've purchased it from him. It's also got a comfort and convenience pack, which are these two extras. So you can see wireless charging, and then you've got a refrigerator in the centre. So these are all extras on top of a HSE. There's your heated steering wheel, your adaptive cruise, your digital cockpit, as you can see, clear sight camera, press that, and then tilt and sliding sunroof, with it being a HSE. Back into the main menu, the big one there, you can see there, air suspension. So the car drives absolutely superb. If I go into the main menu, you've got full surround 3D camera system, which is superb. You've also got towing assist, with it being having the electric deployable Towbar. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa, all the things you'd want. If I go into the seats and just show you, so you don't just get heated, you get heated and cooled with the car being a HSE. There you go, look at that. And then also the finishing on a HSE is different. So if you look here, all the stitching, all the finishing, you get much more of a luxury interior. It's a great car. Great, great extras. You know, there might even be other extras I've missed, but it's got massive spec on top of it even being an X-Dynamic HSE. It's in the fantastic Carpathian grey. It's got the right engine, it's got the air suspension, it's got the Towbar, and then it's got all them other extras. It's priced, like I said, less than list. It's going live. You've got just under 3 years Land Rover warranty and 3 years Land Rover Assist. Give me a call.